It's happening.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the McLean County Emergency Management Agency, Bloomington, Illinois. The McLean County METCOM 911 phone lines are down. The alternate emergency number is 30988853030. The McLean County alternate number again is 30988853030. The Bloomington 911 Dispatch Center phone lines are also down. The alternate emergency number is 30982088888. The Bloomington alternate number again is 30982088888.